Well, it's Monday morning. Well, it's Monday afternoon, 1:15. I'm headed to the land of nada. Alone. Mumbles man had some stuff to do. He couldn't go. Beaver went last night and had a knockout day. A knockout night, I should say. Found all kinds of stuff. Well, he did find a 18 karat gold earring. Pretty nice little earring. But lots of targets. Got me excited. So I'm bound down there somewhere. I got ready to take the firecracker with me, but I figured I better not. We'll see how it goes. Maybe we'll give it a try again tomorrow. They're working on this road. It's like riding a bucking bronco. Or two bucking broncos, maybe. Stand by until we get there. You know what that means. I mean, he could have found I don't mean he could have found, but the beach could have changed overnight. It might be a damn thing down there today, but it's a beautiful day. And I had a knife, a nice wood stuff this morning to sharpen, and I did one set of restaurant knives for Thursday, so I've been busy somewhat. Stand by. 33rd Street. We're putting it a little to the north. We got sneakers on. And we're going to try to not get our feet wet. So we ain't going to get in the surf. Stand by. Not too angry today. Got a west wind pushing it down some. I don't see no looters anywhere. Maybe one way down there to the south. Stand by. 87. I'm suspecting a penny. Well, it's got to be in China though. Stand by a minute. Ended up being an 83, I think. Oh, I see it. I told you it was a penny. Damn waves tried to catch me 3 times. I had to run up the beach. Flying. $77. I don't see anything that looks exciting. Whatever it is, it must be tiny. Sounds like the Empire State Building. That is right there, but it must be a little teeny damn thing. It's going to stay right there too for somebody else to find it. Okay, we're moving on. It almost got me. 62. Oh! Stand by.